Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Gladia. Into this video, I will be juicing for glowy skin, energy, and digestion. I'm super excited. I haven't juiced in a while. So, are you ready? Let's get started right now. I'm going to try this one and see what it's given. Tastes good, not bad. It's my first time trying this one. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.